best straight tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and maybe some of these work on iOS 16. So the first tweak is called AIM, and what this tweak does, this support iOS 14 and 15.7.1, and it's iOS 16 style time and date lock screen. So you have time with 4 original front time from iOS 16. You have 7 date options: temperature, location, alarm, etc. You have 3 widgets with complications: position, size, alignment, custom colors, custom font, custom text, swipe up to open, and no notifications. Notifications offset, hide stock, charge animation, and quick action. So you also add city location and weather app if the weather does not work. And some screenshots of it. This is called Spark Color Picker, and so supports iOS 11 to 14.8.1. Simple to implement, simple to use, color picker library. Tweak support, and it's a support framework used by Tweak developers. And this is the update. Next tweet is called Auto Recorder ets. Auto Recorder ets. So what this tweet does, where it's iOS 12 to 14, it's a ringtone. No, you have pretty much this allows you to record pretty much phone calls. So also now set with set ringtone ability and high performance audio editor. So you pretty much can record different phone calls for your iPhone for these apps right here as well, and you can also edit the recording as well. So it's pretty cool. You save recordings, you manage recordings, and you have improved player and built-in visualizer for recording playback. So pretty cool. Just know that you guys have to comply and read this legal disclaimer before you guys download this. You are responsible for notifying and receiving consent from the other person. And yeah, so by downloading this tweak, you guys are agreeing to the terms of service, and me, the developer, is not held responsible. So this tweak's price is $4.399. It's definitely worth it. It could save you a lot. So like if you're having a phone it's really hard to find some kind of way to record the phone call unless you're actually recording from like a different device. But this tweak is really cool because you just really set up, and then when someone calls you, you can just easily record the phone call. And like I said, so make sure you guys know the laws and all that in your country or state, because in some laws do say that you have to get the person's consent before recording them. If not, you are recording them illegally. So keep that in mind. So other than that, it's a pretty cool tweak. Some screenshots of it. Dropbox add-on. It's a Dropbox add-on for Auto Recorder ets. So I guess this allows you to like save your phone recordings into it's called Troll Store Helper. Supposed I was 14 to 14.8.1. And this allows you to install Troll Store, a perma-signed app installer for your jailbroken device. Also use refresh app registrations, and I believe you could also install IPAs if I'm not wrong. So it's pretty cool. I wish this would be updated for iOS 15 for you guys. I mean, I don't have an iOS 15 device, but right now it just supports iOS 14 to 14.8.1. Called Stella, and let it snow on your device. So it supports iOS 13 to 15.7.1, and it's like a snowing effect for your device. Pretty cool. Alright, so we have Glow, but before that, I did forget to mention about Auto Recorder ets. So for Auto Recorder ets, guys, version 5.0.2 did add iOS 15 and iOS 16 support, both on rootless and not. It brings back Dropbox support, so I just want to let you guys know about that. So if you guys are down on Auto Recorder ets, version 5.0-2 and up should support iOS 15 and iOS 16, both rootless and non-rootless jailbreaks. So that's good news. Next week's called Glow, and version 0.5-130. Obviously, this is higher than that. And then above that is now live. That was like a week ago or a couple days ago, and that did add support for iOS 15 and iOS 16 as well. So, yep, iOS 12 to 16.3, and this allows you to pretty much have like a glowing effect for your phone. You guys can read all of these right here for yourself. But scroll down, it does cost $2.79, and this is what it looks like. So it gives you like a cool custom glowing look to your device. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.